You're live.
We're live. Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's Amy from So Let's Be Quilty Studio here in beautiful Pentwater, Michigan. We might get some sun today, which is really exciting. So we are at our first week of Brown Bag Mystery, so we'll go over a few of those at the end. But I kind of wanted to talk about a few things that are coming up. So in March, we have our So Let's Make a Bag. We're calling it Organization Cubed because you'll see why. And then I'm going to show, there's 4 colorways. And the reason why there's 4 is because a few of them I got limited quantities of fabric, but I love them, so we're just going to put them in there. So let's make a bag. It is my quarterly subscription box. So every 3 months, you get a box with 2 to 5 projects in it, and everything you need to complete those projects. You get to choose from usually 3 colorways. This way is 4. And everything comes packaged in a box, and all you have to do is open up the box and make your bag. So we have the patterns, the interfacing hardware, all the fabric, all of that stuff is in there. And we usually have, I usually do some tips and tricks videos, and he's writing. I usually do some tips and tricks videos, and most of the people who I choose to work with usually have a video either for free or for a small fee. But as always, if you have questions, I am here to help. So we will be shipping by the 18th of March, maybe earlier this quarter, and so all of our subscribers are being charged on March 1st. So just so you know. And without further ado, I'm going to show you the projects, and then I'll go through the colorways. So the projects we're doing. So I made up a pattern for some project bags. So we have these project bags that have the vinyl front. It has a little bit of fabric on the bottom, and we have a zipper at the top. And this side is to put all of your pieces and all that good stuff in there. And then on the back side, I put another zippered pocket so you can put all your small sundries in the back and your pattern, and it's all nice and neat. So I will have a version with a handle, and then this is the version without a handle. And I did this because we're going to put it in this cube, and if you have a couple of them, then they'll stand right up in the cube, and you can have it all organized. So the first thing is our little project bags. You will have enough material to make 2 of these project bags. The second one is a little bag that is looks, really sweet and cute. But then when you open it up, you have all sorts of storage on the inside, zippered pockets, all sorts of places to put things. And then we will have a little tutorial on how to add if you want. So this is great for all sorts of things. So it's good for sewing, if you wanted to use it for makeup, if you wanted to use it for all sorts of, like a little office where you have all your pencils and pens and all that good stuff in it. All of this is fantastic. So so that's your second project. And
Want to
this,
show it like laying.
laying down. Yep.
So let me just move that so they can see it. So you need to pull it back towards you.
Yep, I'm going to pull it back towards me. So when you open it up, you get this little, I'm going to still have to, you get this little tray on the front. So great for travel, great for next to you on the couch, great for so many things. And then this colorway is the Besties colorway. So you're seeing what you would get if you chose the Tulip Pink Besties colorway. So that's the rabbits.
But not the cube.
Not the cube. The cube is going to be different. I'll show that to you in a minute. And then we have the goldfish for, so you'll have either goldfish or cats for your project bags. And then the third one, I'm going to show you the project so you see what it is. So it won't be this fabric. Won't be this fabric. This fabric is long gone. But the cube is, it has a little vinyl window in the front, and you have little handles on each side. So this could be great for organization of all sorts. On the inside, you have a mesh pocket with a zipper, and then a nice big place. And then you can see everything that's in here from your little vinyl. But what we're going to do is I'm going to put this on the top. So we're going to do our puppies for this bag. And I'll finish this up. It's been busy around here. All right. So it'll be the dogs for the cube. Can you see it? The dogs for the cube. And then the lining will be the best friends little chain with the little hearts for best friends. So that'll be your inside for Besties. All right, so I'm going to put that up there. I'm going to put that in there. Okay, so that's Besties. The number 2 colorway is called Summertime Love. And this one is by Free Spirit and Corey Dantini. And this will be the outside of the big cube. So it's like this little kind of faux blocked pattern, and it has the strawberries. Is it upside down? It's upside down. Let's do it this way. Now you can see it. So it has the strawberries and the birds, and it's just really cute. I think it will be adorable on that cube. And then should I do it like this or one by one? So this is also part of Summertime Love. This is going to be linings and things like that. So you will see all these projects coming up, so you see where I'm putting all these fabrics. So there's the birds. And then this harlequin is really fantastic. So that'll be for bindings and some of your linings. So that is Summertime Love. So we went Summertime Love, we have Besties, and then I did this beautiful floral from Art Gallery Fabrics called Flowerfields. So this would be for the big cube. And this would be the big cube and the lining. And then I'm going to mix and match all of these beautiful florals for the rest of the projects. Let me see if I can. So let's do one by one. So this is kind of I thought that for the little sew bag. And that would be really cute for project bags or the sew bag. I really thought that is really sweet floral for any of those projects. So that is Flowerfields from Maureen McCracken of Art Gallery Fabrics. And then the third selection is it's just so good. I just had to do it. So it is also a collection from Art Gallery Fabrics, and it's called Lake Life. And so this has the trees on it. It's really so beautiful. And I thought for the big, the cube, we would do the bears with the forest. I thought that would be adorable. And then for the little sew together bag, we're doing this floral with that green and then the green with the leaves on it would be your binding, and then the little polka dotted one would be your lining. And then for the project bags, I have this one where she's on a canoe with her puppy. Let me get my fingers out of the way. Nope, I did exactly the opposite. So she's on a canoe with her puppy. And so I thought that would be cute with the trees. And then for some of the linings and some binding, we do this little, this cute little blender fabric. So we have Lake Life, we have Flowerfields, we have Summertime Love, and we have Besties. So I think we covered.
What's Flowerfields? This one?
Flowerfields is this one.
It, so.
Oh, Flowerfields. And this one has the most. This is Summer Love by Corey Dantini. This one is like the super bright one. I really adore that one. So, if you want to, if you're not a subscriber and you want to sign up, you need to go to soletsmakeabag.com and get on our wait list.
Or they can sign up.
Oh, they can sign up? Okay, so he has it open for sign up. We will be sending out an email with all of the pictures for your color selection this weekend. Okay, so we'll be sending out all those this weekend, so we get to know how many counts we need for all of this lovely stuff. So that's So Let's Make a Bag. So our so this quarter's projects are project bags. This little sew together bag, and this amazing. It's called, what is it called? It is, I always forget. It's called Room with a View from by Annie. And this is the largest cube. So there's 3 sizes of cubes. You will get the fabric to make the largest cube, because when we do this, our little project bag fits right in there. So fantastic. Okay, so that's that. So I'm going to move this over a tiny bit so we can talk about some other stuff. All right. So I did have a request for the Tulip Pink Butterfly 2nd edition to make a few more kits. This is the pattern. So it's her butterfly quilt. So I have made up 2 more kits. They are in stock right now. They are $2.25. And because I carry all of the Tula, or most of the Tula Solids, almost all of her True Colors line, pretty easy to make up another kit. This has a lot of fabric in it. This ends up being 88 by 94. And so because I had somebody who requested a kit, I cut up a few more. So I have 2 available on the website, and that that link is in the description. So if you want that kit, you can go on and get that. And then what was the other thing we were talking about? Oh yeah,
Brown bag.
Brown bag. Okay, so we have our first we had our first week of Brown Bag Mysteries. As all of us get in other fabrics, or as we go forward, we will always be adding onto our page that has a Brown Bag Mystery on it. So if you are looking for something in particular, you can always give us a little email or a text, or send us a message through Facebook, and we can see what we can help you with. So I will be showing you brown bags on Wednesdays until we get our first clue. And so just check back on the website and see what the new ones are. I will put them on Facebook, just pictures, so you can see them. But for today, I have 2 that we added to the mix last night. And so these are both Moda fabrics from a collection that was dogs and cats. And so the first one is Dog Days. So that is your hint fabric. So it's all the dog toys and all that good stuff. And then I thought the Woof Woof would be super cute as your border. So that's Dog Days. And then the second one is called Here Kitty Kitty. So it's like this soft peachy pink background with a little gray kitty. Just doing what kitties do and checking stuff out. And then the green Here Kitty Kitty for the border I thought would be adorable. So those kits are available on the website. So those are today's Brown Bag Mystery. I did do some Tula, and there's still some Ruby Star Society, and there's still some Tilda on the website. So check those out. And I think that was it for today. So let's make a bag. We're open for new subscribers, and we'll be sending out the email this weekend to give you your selections. And keep in mind that I will be adding pictures of the projects completed going forward the next week or so. So you can kind of see what some of them are made up. I'm going to do project bags in all the colorways so you can kind of see what they look like made up. And quilt kit from Tula, we recut the butterfly quilt, 2nd edition, $225, available on the website. We're still in the midst of Brown Bag Mystery, so if you need something or you're looking for something, let us know. And have a fantastic Wednesday. Did I give my husband enough time? Yes?
I'll end it now.
Excellent. See you later.
It's ended.